Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. How's it been? Our trading week for this week. If you traded this week, drop the pair on Monday this morning. Drop the pair on the chat box. Which pair do you traded this week? Let's quickly do some weekly review. Drop the pair you traded this week, and how many percent do you make this week from your trading accounts? If you traded this week, drop the pair you traded. Is it profit or did it stop loss? This morning we are not going to waste time. By 10, I should be writing up this class. So today's Friday, nothing much, but they are good setup. We have one or two good setup. I will show you directions, and you can go right. Anyone? Nobody's talking. Meaning that nobody traded from Monday to Friday. Whoa.
The market condition not good this week now.
Who tell you?
So that my account don't draw down well.
Which currency do you trade?
Now good. You don't finish my account, sir.
You people will not leave gold alone. You people will not leave. I don't know why you were so upset with gold. I don't know the reason. I've said it here time without numbers. Leave gold alone.
Say don't finish your account.
Leave gold alone.
$50 account, what buy you? You go see am now. You go check my account now.
You could not leave gold alone. Yeah.
How can I leave gold alone? I no go here.
Gold is annoying this week. Very annoying.
I know, you just go hang for one place.
It's not. Hello.
Very good.
It's so annoying. It's so annoying. When there's no setup, you are forcing setup. Our market is always right. There's no setup. I don't know why we will come to here live session. We will give a market our direction, our advice. But after you leave here, you go and do that in your account. Since on Monday that I've been analyzing gold, what did I say? Did I say it's good to? If gold, for me, I only come and said, our problem is we are looking market from the lower time frame. We must trade. That's the problem. That's the problem. It is well known. If you have money to be giving brokers, then be forcing yourself to trade gold.
It is well.
Good morning, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Yes.
The trade I took was NZD card, but it was that trade that took me out. During the closing time and opening time of the day, the spread we are always widening, so that spread actually took me out. But normal on the trading view, the trade is still running, so that's why I just stopped trading throughout this week. I only had that one trade and it took me out. I just stopped.
Okay, that is good. That is good risk management, right?
Hello, sir. Good morning. No.
Good morning, sir.
Sorry, I want to ask something. It's been long. People are not analyzing on our well trade again to analyze synthetic.
Well, at the beginning of this year, we said that we have poured from WebTrade to DuPont. We made the announcement, even on the group, we made the announcement. What that tells us is we are no longer do business with WebTrade again. It doesn't mean that the broker fold up or the broker die. If you have account on synthetic, if you have money on synthetic, you can still be trading your account. If you have money on do a WebTrade, you can still be trading your account. But we officially, we have migrated officially to DuPont. DuPont is our official brokerage. And that's why we ask everybody that all our clients that we solicit that WebTrade that you should open account with DuPont and purchase with DuPont. And the reason, we have many reasons. Like somebody don't talk about slippery now that they spread all those things. In WebTrade, in DuPont, there's not. So I'm not saying anything happen to WebTrade. If you have an account on WebTrade, you can be trading your account, or you open you open an account on DuPont. So you can have 2 or 3 accounts with different broker, right? So it doesn't mean that it must be one. So for we not doing business with WebTrade again, it means that we don't need to analyze a synthetic or do anything with WebTrade. So we only focus on DuPont, and DuPont doesn't have synthetic. We only take currency, commodity, stock, and crypto. So hope that is clear, sir.
Okay, it's clear. It's clear because we used to analyze WebTrade synthetic, and
Understand.
people normally talk about what's it called, the Becanet software, but I'm not hearing it again since we have been doing, and I have not asked because since people started dropping that link for the other broker, I was like to ask. I just used to
Yeah.
forget, so that's why I said let me just ask.
Thank you for asking. Hope it's clear now.
Yeah. It's clear. It's very clear.
Okay, let's move on. We have very short time. There's no more analysis this morning. I'll just give you some direction I'm looking at. Then everybody go. Today, there's no news. We have a free day. So a free day to trade today. And I will show you 1, 2, 3 trades whereby you can position yourself and look for a trade opportunity. Yes. This is where we start bullish on dollar, since we here, and you can see. So for a few days, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have been consolidating for a few days, price moving up and down, But yesterday, we finally close. Now there was a liquidity that was residing here. So now, thank God, you can see this candle close, not a week. If this candle were weak out this place, then maybe today we would have begin to have a serious sell. So my bias for dollar, I always say at the beginning of this week, I said my bias and my direction for dollar is bullish. So there's nothing that will make me to sell dollar. That is me. So once for the beginning of the week, I look at this is my bias for the week. If I'm bullish on the week, I will begin to wait for bullish setup. And if I'm bearish for the week, I'm going to look for bearish setup. So the market only do 2 things. It's whether it's bullish or it's bearish. Whether it's selling or it's buying. So, but when the market is bullish for the week and you are looking for buy and sell, that is where the problem lies. So I will not say more than that. So clearly now, we are still bullish today. Today's Friday, we are still bullish, and you know where to do. So now let's go to 4 hours. So now 4 hours, we can see clearly that dollar is still worse, very much bullish, very much bullish on dollar, and we continue to position ourselves for the bullish continuation, right? So demand is the control. Demand is the control. Now, so let's look at this place. Okay. So we expect that when price come to that place, we may expect a bounce. Maybe we'll continue the building. So that is the place, that demand is still controlled. So on dollar, which means we are still what? We are still bullish. So quick one. So that will give us to Euro USD. Now my Euro USD, we are stuck for a long time, and I can see now that the kind of momentum that we were expecting, this low was critical. This demand was critical. So all this while I've not been trading euro. Since this place, I was looking at they may likely fail, and the reason is simple. All these are one leg. Everything here is just one leg. So if everything is one leg, then there's need for price trade to something like discount before we continue the bullish again. So simple as that. Simple as that. All you need to do is to look at, okay, where's the overall market structure, right? So now clearly we have momentum on our side. We have break structure again. So go to 4 hours now. You can see that on 4 hours, we have been respecting this channel on 4 hours, right? So we have been holding. Price has been holding. It has been holding. So there become now our top now that we are dealing with. Here will become what? Our low. Here we have break. So all you need now, guys, to wait for anything around this place and look for low time frame opportunity word to sell USD. Simple as that. Hope you get that formation now. So just wait for price to come to, there's a demand there. So it may use this place as a liquidity though. Don't be quick to sell. Make sure you get a low time confirmation, maybe 1 hour weakness, rejection here. Then look for a sell. Don't, many of you now say, let me quickly buy. Don't quickly buy. I may say we get to that place, it's not getting there. Because when you look at 4 hours, sometimes we have this 4 hours FVG here, right? So we have that 4 hours FVG. Sometimes price will just respect it and it will just go in no way. So don't do quick buy. So you can expect this 4 hours FVG. So watch out for this 4 hour FVG. If price getting and it reject it in 1 hour, in 1 hour, maybe price pause like this, but 1 hour turn to a week. Then that's where we go to look for what is sell opportunities. So all you'll be looking for on Euro USD. Sorry. So all you'll be looking for on Euro USD is what? Sell opportunity. Don't do quick buy. Okay? So that's clear. So we move to another one. We move to the next currency I have, which is GU. So GU also, now GU gave me more, at least by grace of God, at least I have done about 4% this week now, and from GU and the NU. GU is, I said it on my, I said, this guy is bearish. He's bearish. All you need. So this is where I start selling GU from. Very simple. We have a break of structure. Price came back here. I was looking for this liquidity to be taken out. We have 2 liquidity on the road. Liquidity 1 and liquidity 2. All I need for price to take one of this liquidity and purge. So looking at from this high to this low, you can see price running to premium. So all that I need is to look for, to sell from premium and to buy from discount. So this was you can see price rally to premium. Then the next thing, when you go to smaller time frame, it creates a liquidity. We have a liquidity purge around that place. We have a momentum. We give us a change of character. Then this was the entry and still riding this. So continuation, what do we do on this? So what do we do on this? These are giving us another break of structure to the downstairs, to the down. So here, this is another word, valley break of structure. So we have another value break of structure. So you know what to do now. So here become what? Your swing guy now. So go to 1 hour time frame. So we already have your high and your low. So wait for. So all you need to do now, allow price to come to premium. Then you shoot your gun, boom. So that is it, simple. So allow price to come to, once price go to premium, maybe around there, there's this tiny fair value gap here. Price may likely to, I don't like this imbalance here. This balance is sitting below discount. So I would love, or price can purge, since this imbalance is between discount and premium, price can purge it. All you need to do is to wait for weakness, confirmation, and sell. So that is number one you can see, or allow price to come to this, maybe that supply zone. Then you look for a sell. So I've given you two good setup you need for today. If you like, go and do any other thing. So that is it. I'm done with that. So
Sir, what do we upload in that do point for withdrawal? What should you upload?
Please, let me ask your question after this class. I don't want to clear
sir.
this motion.
Sorry, sir.
So my ROMs will attend to you. Please, ROM, attend to me on the chat box. I'll collect his detail. So that is that. Now I have done these two. Then the last one, okay, NU. Okay, so NU, so this was my NU trade. The same thing. This thing is same. All you need, break on structure, look for this thing, and look for a sell or look for a buy. So I was expecting you to come here. This way I enter. The price company is doing some. I know the reason why price. Sometimes trade management is very, very important. Some of us we don't manage trade. Now, this guy, I'm still believe that this guy will trade to this place, right? But whatever he's doing now, maybe it's giving another entry. Though I'm out of the trade, I don't allow it to hit I don't wait to take profit. Immediately price gets here, is doing all this. I see this place. The reason is you can see this place. There's an imbalance here. So price is making that imbalance uncomfortable. So here we bounce. I waited. He came back again. I thought he was coming. Immediately we bounce again. I just closed my trade. At least from here to here, everything is 4 arrow, but I collect 2 arrow and I go out of the trade. So going forward on this is not giving me a clear direction now so I am no longer interested to trade this guy for now until break this low, because there's nothing here for me to sell. I want to continue selling, but I'm not going to sell until this guy break this low. Simple. So let's move forward. Gold, I'll do gold lastly. Then we'll look at other currency, other counter, how did I call it? Other currency. So you see gold. We see gold. You see gold is just doing. I don't know why you are forcing yourself. What are you trading here now, gold? Nothing to trade. Nothing. This is the 4 hour swing high, swing low, and swing high. Whatever, I will only be interested in what? In buying gold when price drop very well. At least me, I love to, when price come to discount, anything around here, I will be interested to buy gold. Right? Gold is very bullish. It's not everyone able to look for a sell. But we have clear liquidity. Once a liquidity is creating, we need price to give us a very good discount. Then we can join the buy. So, ladies and gentlemen, nothing for me on gold for now. So, when there's nothing, I don't like to analyze any trade where there is nothing. So, there's nothing on gold. We don't bypass. Okay, let's look at BTC. BTC also is very bullish. So we are waiting for BTC. Just wait for a pullback, then you continue. Simple. We are done with BTC. Then the next one, let's look at NASDAQ. So for now, NASDAQ has not been, it's a stock. So the stock market is still it's not okay for now. So let's see, maybe after this month, before, people are just planning which stock to invest in the US or in Nigeria or anywhere. So people are calculating which is best stock. So for now, leave stock alone for now. Nasdaq, S&P, all of them are still now giving directions. So we are done with major. Let's look at few currency which I have on the list. I'm looking at GBP card. So GBP card is looking good for buy opportunity, and I have my reservation. The reason is this is where my view. You can see price we bearish. This is a bearish leg, right? So now this bearish leg is still valid, though, guys. So we must be very careful. This bearish is still, we do not have a change of character yet. So this bearish is still valid. But let me see where we are now. So we have, okay, price is just, I still believe that there's a room for us to trade up more before maybe continuation. So now when you go to momentum, we have a kind of momentum. When you see this kind of bullish candle, it's a very strong momentum. So you don't want to overlook it. So that gives us 4 hours, right? So 4 hours, you can see how we have a clear break of structure. We are breaking a lot of structure. Also here we have it. So that gives us what? A value break of structure. Here become your swing low and your swing high. So you know what to do. The rest is history. So all you need, look for demand or anything you can use. I think that's where our demand lies. So you can look for, as price going to that place, you look for go to lower time change of character, a Gothic candle, anything you can use. You are looking for a buy around there, your stop loss come below here, then you target previous high. Okay. GJ, let me see GJ for now. Okay, GJ is interesting. GJ is interesting, but let's look at what higher time frame is doing on GJ so that you don't join entire market blindly. When you see a pullback like that, go to higher time frame and see what the higher time frame is doing. So what I can see, this guy is just a linear motion. So we have 2 places to work with. So number 1, work with this demand here. Demand zone number 1. Demand zone number 2. So you know what to do. As price drops into the demand zone, come to 4 hours or 1 hour, wait for confirmation before you start buying or selling. So this is, I'll be looking at, let me redefine my demand to this, right? So 4 hours, this is a valid break of structure. This is a valid one. So but I don't want to do a penny order. I want to see confirmation here. So if price drop here, it give me a Gothic candle here, a bullish Gothic candle on 4 hours. I will buy. Your stop loss come below here. You target previous high. I don't want this card to exceed 10 o'clock. So today's Friday, nothing. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY is still the same thing. So 4 hours. You can see a value break of structure, but we need confirmations on all this thing that is coming down now. The reason is that the reason why we need confirmation is that price are overstretched. So if this place fail, the price may come down very well. So when you see higher time frame overstretched like that, then wait for confirmation before you enter. So Euro JPY, I need what? Confirmation here. So we have value break of structure on 4 hours. When price come here, you know confirmation you are waiting for, whether bullish a Gothic candle or change of character in 15 minutes. Once you get that, you buy, your stop loss come below there, you target previous high. AUD card is on my radar, but this one is not, it's still far. So it's on my watch list. So we have break of structure, the low and the high. I want price to come to this place and pick me for a bullish. You see now that all I'm doing is to follow market directions. Once it's not there, it's not there. It's not there, no day. You don't force yourself to, you want to trade what is not there. And that's why many of us, we are losing money. Lastly, for today, okay, SZD chef, AUD chef. Okay, this guy take liquidity So we have this low, we have this high. Okay, leave this one. There's nothing much on this one for now. There's nothing. So watch out for, if you are trading counter currency, watch out for GBP card later, GJ, Euro JPY. So these are where we have set up on minor currency. AUD, GBP. Oh, this guy here. This is what I've come to now. This case now. Now, this place, you can see this is a very critical support. Now, before you want to engage buy, you must see bullish confirmation or change of character here. So you can now come to 1 hour, right? And wait for, you can see in smaller time frame, we are seriously bearish. So you must see a confirm higher time frame confirmation. Don't just look for a buy. This can go up and collapse. Wait for confirmation. So that is all. So in summary, for major currency, position yourself for GU, Euro. For today, you can get maybe New York. You can get a sell from these two currency today. So these are the two currency I predicting that it can give us a sell today or Monday. So position yourself. Thank you for your time. Happy weekend. Happy weekend. So we meet on Monday again and see what the market tells us. So with what the market ends today, especially Euro USD and GBP USD, I believe from Monday, the price we may see more down, more sell. And if I'm predicting sell, and it is fair to say, any condition that will make this thing for me to buy is that, because you must not be one-sided, that I need to see price. You can see this is the last high that breaks structure. So, or we can use this one, which means we need to see price. You can see all this place was this channel. We never see price breakout. So by the time we see a breakout, then this will become a demand. Then that's the only condition that will make me to buy Euro USD. As long as I don't see it like this, I'm still remain selling. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining this week. Be safe. Don't frustrate. Trade in direction of the market. Thank you so much. I will see you.
Happy weekend.
Yeah, happy weekend, ma. I will see you on Monday. And lastly, those of us in see trade, please purge your account. Let's make money in DuPont. Once you fund your account on DuPont, chat me up. We add you to our funded group where you get all our signals. From next week, we're going to be dropping a lot of signals in all our funded groups. But those people that have accounts on DuPont, thank you.
Yeah, hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. My number is in the chat box. In case you have any issues with your DuPont account, setting up questions or anything, feel free to reach out to me.
All right. So that my brother that was asking, I want to ask question, please. In 1 minute.
Yes, I've resolved it.
Okay,
Yeah,
please.
she's attending to me. Thank you, sir.
All right, please. Anyone contact her. She will attend to you. We will solve your problem.
No, she's good though. She's good.
She's a problem solver. All she knows is to solve people problem.
Yeah, she's attentive.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
And make money.
Thank you so much.